Ready to dive into the world of Bitcoin, but not sure where to start? First, download the Crypto.com app from your app store and tap sign up. Enter your email address, agree to the terms, and create a strong password. You will then need to verify your email and complete the KYC, or know your customer verification process, by submitting a photo of your ID and a selfie. This is a standard security measure. Next, let's add funds to your account. Tap the trade button, then buy, and select your preferred method like credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your payment method. Now, let's get some Bitcoin. Tap the trade button again, then buy, and this time, search for Bitcoin or BTC. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to purchase, or the equivalent in your local currency. Review all the details carefully. You'll see the current Bitcoin price, the amount you're buying, and any fees. If everything looks good, tap confirm within the given time frame. Congratulations, you've just bought Bitcoin on Crypto.com. You can view your Bitcoin balance in your crypto wallet. Now that wasn't too hard, was it? Subscribe for more crypto tutorials and tips.